In this video, you will be presented with a .NET in-process memory dump of a W3 WP process, which is slow to respond. It is expected that you have already downloaded and opened the appropriate memory dump file in WinDBG, and the MEX extension matching the bitness of the memory dump process is loaded. Enter and execute the MEX list threads command. This can take a moment, so please be patient. You are presented a list of threads running within the process. Take a look at the values in the user mode column, which illustrates the amount of time the specific thread has used. Notice the thread number 23 and 38 in the DBG ID column that is associated to the 3 seconds and the 437 millisecond values respectively in the user mode column. This means the threads have been running in that mode for that amount of time. Switch the context to thread 23. Execute the CLR stack2 command. Notice that it does not render anything relevant as there is no non-Microsoft assemblies in that stack. Change the context to thread 38. Execute the CLR stack2 command. The trick here is to look at the assemblies, classes, and methods which are running on the stack. If you see an assembly on the stack which is not a Microsoft assembly, then that has the highest probability of being the cause of the high CPU. In this example, you will find the following, which is not a Microsoft assembly named C# guitar. This does not conclusively provide the clear reason for the hang. A look at the source code would be necessary to determine if the assembly, class, and method are responsible for the hang. The fact that the thread has been running in user mode for 430 milliseconds does not mean the request is not hung or blocked. You can see the reason for the hang by looking at the method from the very top of the stack. However, the reason is not always so clear. Therefore, use the non-Microsoft assembly as the clue to be provided to the party owning it and have them investigate the code further. Finally, but extremely important, is to recognize that memory dumps contain very sensitive information. Take extreme precautions and follow documented procedures for the handling of these files. Remove them from all devices once they are no longer needed.